Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I am going to make a very unique golden drops that will keep our skin supple, radiant and glowing. It's done using double boiler method, so all the nutrients remain intact and takes an hour to cook. If you follow this method precisely, you will get beautiful fragrant golden drops that will feel so luxurious to use. To make it, take 2 small carrots, peel the outer skin and grate using a fine grater. Now spread it over a clean cotton cloth so the cloth absorbs the excess moisture. Press once to remove the moisture completely. This is important, else the drops will turn rancid very soon. This process stains the cloth, so use an old kitchen cloth. Now take a white pot, place a stand in the middle and pour water. Place a cup over the stand. Add the grated carrot. Add in the peel of half an orange too. You can use any variety of oranges for this. I usually use Kamala orange peels, but this is the variety I could get now. Add oil of your choice till all the ingredients are fully immersed. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce the flame so it very gently simmers. Continue boiling for an hour. Check the water level in the pot and add more water if necessary. While adding water to the pot, make sure that the water does not splash into the oil mixture. After an hour, remove the inner pot and let the mixture cool. Once it has completely cooled down, strain. This oil smells incredible. For oily skin, try to use lighter oils like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil. For dry skin, extra virgin olive oil and sweet almond oil will work well. Try to skip coconut oil, especially if you are suffering from clogged pores, as it is comedogenic. This amazing golden oil will last well at room temperature for 3 to 4 months. This is a multi-purpose oil. You can take few drops and massage it in as it is, or you can also add it to creams and lotions. These golden drops can be used for all age groups and all skin types. Just make sure to use the appropriate oil depending upon your skin type. Since we're using double boiler method, all the nutrients remain intact and the smell also remains fresh. Since both carrot and orange are powerful antioxidants, this oil has powerful anti-aging properties. It also keeps the skin very nourished and supple. I prefer to use this oil as it is, but if you like, you can add in few drops of vitamin E oil too. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.